Welcome to week 3 of our countdown to the 40th anniversary of American Polymers Corporation and its affiliated companies. Our founder, Lax Gupta, left behind a legacy of innovation and aspirations for the future. Lax had a simple vision: to manufacture and provide high-quality polyurethane products across the globe. Now, 40 years later, we are still doing just that, by building the future with a legacy of innovation. What began in 1984 as a modest 12,000 square foot facility has grown to over 1 million square feet with multiple locations across the United States, but we couldn't have done it without the support of our employees, our customers, and our partners. As a family-owned and operated business, we prioritize building a collaborative community within our industry. Our participation in trade shows, demos, and company events showcases our commitment to quality, service, and our manufacturing capabilities. As we look back on the last 4 decades, we are proud of what we have accomplished and how Lax's vision has taken us to where we are today. With all of us working together, we will continue living up to Lax's vision, building the future with a legacy of innovation